Hi, and thank you so much for clicking on the video. This is the Kings Inn Anaheim. When you first arrive at the Kings Inn Anaheim, you see this upper deck here, which we are taking the video from right now. Over to the left here is the check-in lobby area, the vending machines, and then of course you have the hotel rooms. That's the parking for the Anaheim Garden Walk from our last video. Up on the upper deck here is a bunch of seating. You can see the tree-lined streets. If you walk straight up this street and go right on Harbor Boulevard, that'll take you right to Disneyland and California Adventure. You can see Guardians Tower here. Just a little shot of my son here inside the lobby. After we checked in and got settled, we decided to head over to downtown Disney and kind of check it out before our park day the next day. From the Kings Inn Anaheim, it took us about 20 minutes to walk to Disneyland. It was about 1 mile each way. That first night we were pretty fresh, so we walked there and back, but on later trips we decided to start taking an Uber, which was about $10 each way, but we all split the cost. I was so looking forward to seeing California Adventure and Disneyland all decorated for Halloween time, and it did not disappoint.
What the heck is that about? They come out like, we've done.
These character pumpkins were so amazing. When you first arrive at the Esplanade, California Adventure is on the left, Disneyland is on the right, and if you go straight, you're in downtown Disney. So I thought we'd take you around for a quick walk.
That's kind of cool.
Oh yeah. It's supposed to be really good ice cream.
Yeah, I heard that.
Of course, we had to check out the Halloween treats. And of course, World of Disney.
Here's Halloween over here, huh?
Half Christmas. We got the holidays going on over here. And then we got Halloween. I want that. Can we get that? Yeah, I want it.
I like this, actually.
Grab it, please.
Look pretty fast.
Here we are walking back to our hotel with our loot. Time for a room tour. Okay, so it's nice because you have parking right here outside the room. Inside the room, we're actually really close. So here's the bed. We got the 2 queens. Kind of nice pictures on the wall. They remodeled a little bit, and it's very nice because there's wood on the floor instead of carpet, which is nice. We got an adjoining room, but we got an adjoining room there. We have a desk, dresser, TV, fridge, and then closet area with an ironing board, towels, safe, pretty standard. We got that. Bathroom is pretty standard. Toilet, shower, tub. And then over here you have coffee maker, sink, some more under sink storage, lots of cubbies. And there were coffee cups and water cups and stuff here. And then here you get water. Obviously from here, put it in the coffee maker. It's just a single cup coffee maker, and you get coffee, tea, that sort of thing. So pretty basic room, but it filled our needs and it was great for us.